Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to create purchasing info record in purchase organization and plant level, and what is the impact in real-time business if we create the purchase info record in purchase organization and plant level. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To create purchasing info record, we can use the transaction code ME11. Now press enter key. Here I am going to create purchase info records in purchase organization and plant level. Okay. Enter your vendor code. Enter purchase organization. Now enter plant. Now press enter key. Press enter key. Enter standard quantity. Standard quantity I am entering some 100 quantity. Enter tax code. Enter price. I am going to enter price 8 euro. Okay. Now press enter key. In my case, different plant has the different price. Hence, I will put different price for different plants. Okay. Enter. Now save it. Yes. My purchase info record is successfully created. Now I am going to create the info record in 1100 plant. Press enter key. Enter quantity, some 100 quantity. Here enter the price 10 euro. Okay. Now enter the tax code. Enter. Finally save it. Now again I am going to create purchase info record in purchase organization level. Okay. Why? I will show it. Remove the plant. Now press enter key. Enter plant delivery time. I am going to enter some 10 days. Enter purchase group 001. Enter tax code. Enter price 6 euro. Also enter the standard quantity 100. I am going to enter price 6 euro. Here I created 3 purchase info record. In 1000 plant I mentioned 8 euro. In 1100 plant I mentioned 10 euro. In 1000 purchase organization I am mentioning 6 euro. How it behaves when I create the purchase order, I will show it. Press enter key. Enter. Finally save it. Okay. Now I am going to create purchase order. Go to the transaction ME21N. Press enter key. Enter your vendor master. Press enter key. Click on organization data. By default it is taking the organization data. Okay. Why? Because I set the data in personal settings. Here the personal setting. Just click on this. Click on default value. Here we can set those values. Okay. Now close it. Here I am going to create 4 different lines. One for 1000 plant, another for 1100 plant, and 1200 plant and 1300 plant. How system brings the price from purchase info record. Let us see. Just enter your material master. Enter some quantity. In all 3 plants I am going to purchase same quantity. Okay. Same 100 quantity. Delivery date and net price system brings from purchasing info record. Now enter your plants. First one is 1000. Now 1100, 1200 and 1300. Now press enter key. Yes, system brings the different price in 2 different plant. And same price for 1200 and 1300 plant. Why? Because we also created purchase info record in purchase organization level. So system in background checks available purchase info records. So system brings the data from automatically from those purchase info records. Just drag to right side. We can see the purchase info records. This is the advantage of purchase info records. Purchase info records price we can also control in plant level as well as purchase organization level. That's it today video tutorial. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up. If you have any further questions, please comment me. I will try to answer. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.